तहलका की मैनेजिंग एडिटर शोमा चौधरी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही हैं। सीधे आपको लेकर चलते हैं वहां।
गाइडलाइन भी होता तो सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है कि जिस पे आरोप लगा है वो स्टेप डाउन करें, वो उन्होंने कर ही दिया है।
लेकिन जो लेटर की बात है कि उनका पब्लिक किया और उनका पब्लिक नहीं किया,
बात है कि आपने नहीं, क्योंकि आपने जो भी ये हमारी जो लेटर थी वो लीक कर दिया, ये तो मेरा पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट नहीं था ना। और उनका अपना जो अकाउंट जो मुझे उन्होंने भेजा था दैट वाज नॉट मेंट फॉर पब्लिक कंजम्पशन। जैसे मैंने उसको अकाउंट बाहर I didn't leak any of this. When I'm telling you that I would have needed time to address the public, उसमें ये decisions ले रहे थे. Of course there was a public remark to be made, पर मुझे वो टाइम नहीं मिला, ये तो सब लीक हो गया। अब उसके बाद उनका अकाउंट कभी पब्लिक डोमेन में जाना ही नहीं था। दैट इज हर प्रेरोगेटिव कि वो अकाउंट बाहर जाए कि नहीं, उसको भी कोई ना कोई लीक कर दिया है। उसी तौर से जो अपॉलॉजी तरुण जी ने उनको दिया था वो भी बाहर में नहीं है। जो सिर्फ लीक हुआ इज हर स्टेपिंग डाउन, पर वो जो अनकंडीशनल अपॉलॉजी जो मैंने उनसे डिमांड किया था उन्होंने वो भी बाहर में नहीं है। And there was repeating yourself now. No, because she's asking me, and there was personal mail also that he had sent to her with his account. None of that is in the public domain. Which is why I'm saying कि अब कमेटी बैठी है, वो कमेटी ये सबको देखेगी।
Where exactly is Tarun? People, some saying that he's out of the country.
In the country. Of course he's in the country. Please understand that, you know, so far this 3 days back, actions have been taken. You know, and now that the committee has set up, he will speak to the committee. You know, so I mean, please.
Has he given his full cooperation? Because he seems to be. There are reports that he's run out of the country. He's gone to Canada.
You were listening to me. I just told you he's here. These 3 days. Why will he run away? Of course, he will cooperate with the committee. So far, her request for institutional redress. So you're asking me that I shouldn't repeat myself. You're asking me the same question. So far, it was that she was wanting the institution to respond. By him stepping down, how is it that he's escaping something or hushing it up? What can be more public than the editor of Tehelka stepping down? I'm not here to judge or defend anyone. I'm only trying to give you the sequence of events. And because there is really an unconscionable interpretation put on this in the...
तो क्या केस करना है या नहीं करना है, इसका फैसला जो पीड़ित लड़की है वो करेगी, ये कहती हुई शोमा चौधरी। और शोमा चौधरी ये भी कह रही हैं कि इस पूरे मामले को लेकर जो पीड़ित लड़की है उसकी तरफ से जो भी बातें या जो शिकायत उनको की गई थी उस पर तुरंत उनकी तरफ से कार्रवाई हुई और तरुण तेजपाल ने इस पूरे मामले को लेकर अपनी माफी भी पीड़ित लड़की से मांग ली है। अब आगे की कार्रवाई क्या होगी, इस मामले को लेकर एक कमेटी बनाई गई है और वो कमेटी मामले की जांच करेगी, उसकी रिपोर्ट आएगी। लेकिन इस बीच अगर पीड़िता चाहती है तो वो इस मामले पर जाकर केस कर सकती है, एफआईआर दर्ज कर सकती है, ये उसका हक है। लेकिन अपनी तरफ से जो तहलका है वो पूरी कोशिश ये कर रहा है कि इस मामले में लड़की को, जो पीड़िता है, उसको न्याय मिले। महिला आयोग के साथ यौन उत्पीड़न के संगीन आरोप और आरोपों के कबूलनामे के बाद तहलका के संपादक तरुण तेजपाल पर गिरफ्तारी की तलवार लटक रही है। लेकिन एक बार आपको फिर से सुनवा देते हैं कि शोमा चौधरी क्या कह रही हैं।
Can be played out, then it will be by the next day also.
But another 24 hours you will have people coming out and telling you about what really has happened, talking to the girl, talking to Tarun.
No, I'm saying that I'll be setting up the committee, after which it will be for the committee to look into the matter. So far I have acted contrary to the accounts in the media. The truth is, and I'm going to be speaking in great detail about it, the truth is that from the moment I got this complaint, which again contrary to the media has not been for many days, but actually only as of Monday this week, I have acted absolutely, wholly and solely driven by my desire to address a grieved journalist's sense of injury and to act in her interest. The moment I confronted Tarun about this very, very angrily, he had a different version of the account. Contrary to everything you've been saying in the media, I absolutely overrode his version and asked for a unilaterally unconditional apology from him. This was extended to the journalist within a day. She complained to me on a Monday. The unconditional apology was extended to her by Tuesday. Further to this, he stepped down because my sense was that regardless of the differing versions, whether it was consensual or non-consensual, as a leader of the institution, he had transgressed. And in addition to her, he had betrayed the faith of other journalists, so he stepped down. I sent this letter to people. As you know, it was leaked so instantaneously that further action was not possible in a measured way. To my understanding, because I did speak to the brief journalist just before I sent the letters, she told me that this was something that showed her he was genuinely sorry for what had happened and that she felt no further need for vengeance, that she was driven by a need for justice and now needed to heal, which is why when it leaked, I would have phrased it differently, but because I was besieged by so many calls, I said that she was satisfied with it. It is only from television that I got to know that she was deeply disappointed by my response. Now that she is disappointed by my response, I have set up the committee, and the committee, now both versions of this incident will be before the committee. It will be an impartial, unimpeachable one, and they will look into. I am not here to